So Zainar, Nikki Leitzeli. Feisanhao. Hello everyone, my name is Albert Keyeslz. I am from Barcelona and I am a football coach collaborating with Barça Academy. Here Barcelona have a big project in Haiku, which they offer me to come and to help develop it, and also for myself was kind of a personal and professional challenge, which was the first reason to come and discover Haiku, Hainan. Barça! We provide our different view for football. This is a key point for make the youngsters to develop and keep learning different ways and methodology to improve football in Hainan. Also at the same time, what we do in Barça Academy is try not only to teach football or the skills, is also to create better person. You can inculcate some of our values like the respect, the effort, the ambition, the humility or the teamwork. In Hainan we know that the weather is a pleasure. During winter the weather is really nice, so this provides us the option or the availability to keep training during all the year. Life here is different, but at the same time have a lot of good things like the weather, as I mentioned, the people is really nice, they have a really big variety of food. It's kind of a great environment to play football and to develop this kind of methodology that we bring from abroad. Before I was the one learning from someone, and now I am the one trying to teach or show what I learned before to these new players. I would say it's interesting, and also I feel so proud and happy because it's like now I feel how much I was enjoying playing football. I am trying to make them enjoy the same that I do.